Gold Mining Inc. is a privately owned organization that's part of Force Stocks, founded by the same client and the secret weapon to the next industrial revolution about to hit the fintech space and the entire world economy. In a recent interview at an event in Zurich, the group's chairman and founder of gold mining, Amir Adnani, affirmed that the company has continued to maintain a robust portfolio, put together throughout the long stretch of the ongoing bear market. And if you've bought some stock with a company like BlackRock, the CEO and founder of Sprott Global Resource Investments, Rick Rule, and the self-acclaimed anarcho-capitalist Doug Casey, did between 2010 and 2012, a period in time when the value of gold stock saw a significant multi-year bull trend, then you would have made some serious gains. The value of the companies acquired by the founders of Gold Mining Inc. during the distressed bear market that followed, 2013 through 2015, was collectively valued at about $850 million. Why is Gold Mining Inc. the ultimate gold optionality company globally, just as gold mining is essentially regaining its momentum, hence tagged by these analysts as the new crypto? I'll stick around till the end of this video to find out. Alternatively, you can sign up for this newsletter to gain complete information and updates about the company. Visit www.gldgnews.com. The link for that will be in the description section below as well. Now, if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Check out the links in the description. Gold Mining Inc. is a company that is currently trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange as GOLD, G-O-L-D, and the New York Stock Exchange as GLDG. All brokerages have direct access to buying into the company's stocks, and given the company's long-standing fortitude in the mining industry, Gold Mining Inc. has been around for over a decade. So you can be sure that Gold Mining Inc. runs atop a sound business model, as you'll see for yourself when you take a little bit of time to go through the links provided in the description section. One of the many reasons why the company gets its title, the Prime Real Estate, and that it's the opening bell for 2022, is because expert analysts bring forth an assumption that the GLDG company stock could swing to the upside in such a way that is similar to what's been seen with two of the sister uranium mining companies this year, pioneered by the same founder, Amir Adnani, from the uranium companies Uranium Energy Corp, Uranium Royalty Corp, and Gold Royalty Corp, and financed by such investors as BlackRock, Rick Rule, and Doug Casey. Through in-depth research, you can see how Gold Mining Inc.'s stock is currently an undervalued asset. Without a doubt, uranium is the best performing energy sector and maybe commodity sector of this era for several reasons. To crown it all, Gold Mining Inc. owns a unique uranium project on top of its massive gold portfolio. In a nutshell, should the first quarter of 2022 be fraught with stiffened growth for the prices of gold-related stocks compared to a few years back? Due to the Fed's increasing interest rates in that regard, rest assured we could see a repeat of 2016, a time frame when the values of the stock markets hit rock bottom, while that of gold experiences explosive growth. 2011 being a down year for the gold market is normal. However, even more in line with history is that 2022 is virtually guaranteed to be a green year for the asset class. And yes, we can say that with about 100% assurance since there's never been two consecutive bearish or red years in a row in this century. With that in mind, having a stock with a company like Gold Mining Inc. that has an equity position in the fastest growing gold royalty in the world means more profit propensity for investors, especially this year. For example, at any point between 2013 and 2020, buying a stock with Adnani's previously owned companies would have made an investor between 5 and 30 times more than purchasing spot gold. You can think of it this way. Gold Mining Inc.'s market cap is currently pegged at 234 million Canadian dollars, approximately 183 million US dollars. And the Gold Royalty Corp, aka GROI's equity position, is worth 122 million Canadian dollars, estimated to be about 96 million United States dollars as at the time of recording this video. Which means, as an investor, you're getting 32 million ounces of gold at a price of pegged at the difference between the company's market cap and the GROI equity position at $112 million, which is 234 million minus 122 million Canadian dollars. So when divided by the 32 million ounces, you get $3.50 per ounce of gold. Comparing that to the current price of buying ounces in the ground today, which ranges to about $50 per ounce, it's no surprise why the parent company of Gold Mining Inc. can offer its investors such significant return on investments, as registered by Uranium Energy Corp., where its stocks had a substantial increase of about 1,000% between March 2020 to November 2021, and a return of 189% from July 2021 throughout November 2021. While we've seen the founders of this project meticulously manage Uranium Royalty Corp stocks to a point where it dramatically outperformed in bull markets, registering a price increase of 875% from March 2020 to November 2021, and a 153% surge from July to November 2021, with a record-breaking 329% increase since its launch into the stock market. Currently, the experts predict a 5 times increase in value from its current price of about $1.70 as of recording this video. However, if you doubt, a little bit of research might convince you. Through the company's other sister companies, Uranium Energy Corp and Uranium Royalty Corp, as well as the Gold Royalty Corp, the management of this mineral mining group has demonstrated massive growth in its investment's performance, as seen in previous bull markets. Suppose you had taken your chance and invested in gold mining stock between 2013 through 2020, you'd have seen how the GLDG stock outperforms that of gold when its spot price rises. To summarize the positive leverage of owning a gold optionality stock such as one in Gold Mining Inc. during bullish swings ranging from 5 to 30 times, to run a quick analysis on that, and a little bit of research on the previous bull markets, we'll find that between December 2013 to March 2014, while gold had an 11.49% upswing, GLDG registered a 164% price pump, which is a 10 times leverage on gold. From January 2016 through September 2016, the GLDG stock had a whopping 665% surge in its price, whereas gold registered a meager 22.6% increase to the upside, at which point GLDG had a 30 times leverage over gold. 2 years later, between December 2018 to February 2020, the GLDG recorded a 5 times leverage over that of gold. We had a 150% price pump for GLDG against 26% for gold. By March 2020 through August of that same year, we could compare the growth rate of the spot gold to that of the gold mining stock pegged at a 7 times leverage, with the former registering a 36.12% increase, while the latter records a 218% upswing. And since then, it's been making giant strides throughout the space. But it's not too late to get involved. You can see from the charts that the miners have not broken out yet, which means there is still enough room for more spikes in the price of gold, and even more significantly for its optionality stocks like GLDG. So go ahead and visit www.gldgnews.com for more information on the GLDG stock. You'll find the link in the description section below, but that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. If you have any questions, as always, just drop us a comment, and we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.